everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing this huge lack of color hat if you're wondering what the heck's on top of my head. If you're just stopping by, my name is Bianca. You guys should definitely stick around, subscribe, join the fam. It's a good time over here and we've got videos, moving vlogs rolling in like it's nothing. So definitely make sure you turn on those post notifications to make sure you don't miss any reveals, don't miss any good furniture I find, anything like that. You guys just saw me getting ready. I just wanted to share you a few tips. So to curl like the pieces in front of your hair, I like them to be a little more loose and not as curly. So I turned down the heat by so much and just kind of like lightly turn the curls, and then they look more airy and natural versus like a form-fitting curl, which I don't like when I wear my hats. And then also just put my hair in a little messy bun. And then trick too, if you like I didn't really use it today because my hat's kind of sitting back farther on my head, but for hats to get rid of breakouts on the top of your head, just stop your foundation right here because your hat usually covers it. If you're wearing a ball cap, just don't even put foundation on your forehead. Those are my tips. We're about to run to West Elm because our circle mirror for our entryway office area delivered, and I'm literally so excited, and we have to pick it up today. So we're gonna go and get that. And then more decorating, more organizing, more unpacking is happening. My plan is to finish the kitchen by today, but first things first, I'm hungry, so I'm making eggs and chicken sausage, which is like my new favorite, so I'll show you. The chicken sausage that I got it from Harris Teeter actually, but it's got no antibiotics ever, all natural chicken sausage, and it literally tastes amazing. So I have that going first over here with some avocado oil. You just kind of warm it up for like 4 to 6 minutes pretty much, and then I crack 2 eggs and make kind of like a scramble type situation, and I end up cutting those up once they get a little bit more soft. I'll show you when it's finished, but that's been I had it for the first time yesterday and I thought it was amazing, and just, you know, protein packed snack. Here we are, a beautiful lunch. I really think we should tackle this situation tonight before we go to bed.
I do too.
Okay, because this is too much, but yeah. Okay, here's my outfit, by the way. I'm wearing this Rolling Stones t-shirt that I was wearing the other day because I didn't end up getting a picture in it, so today's my chance. And then these are Levi jeans that I literally got from Nordstrom Rack and cut myself. That's a hack. And then my poly shoes, which I need a new pair. And my lack of color hat. They're my favorite. You look cute too.
All Vans.
Wow.
Van shirt, button up, Van shorts.
Wow.
Kind of, you know, adjustable waist.
Wow.
Yeah.
Made it across town to my favorite store. We should look for throw pillows in here. See if we can find anything good. It is. Yeah, it's huge. Beautiful. All right, we're about to load the mirror into my car. And then after that, we're gonna go take an Instagram picture. Since we're in this part of town, the Midtown area and South End are like my favorite areas to take pictures. So yeah, here we go. Did you bring it?
Yeah, they're coming.
I like that.
Hey, straight now.
Am I straight?
Straight to room.
I'm trying.
You can go a little more. Alright, you're good.
My car didn't like that. It wasn't really letting me go. Oh my god.
Drinking a lot.
Doesn't fit in my car. So we're now back home without the mirror. We're gonna either have to go later today if they're still open and we have enough time, which might not be a thing, so now we have to go tomorrow maybe, but we have to go get Colin's grandpa's truck so we can fit it in the truck instead of my car. So I'm gonna take a quick work break and edit this video so I can get it up for you guys. Not this one, edit a different one. And then yeah, what else are we doing today now, Cole? Editing and putting away and probably prepping that space tomorrow to get ready for that mirror. Okay, so Colin is helping me fix the footage on my video that's messed up from the vlog that I'm trying to upload. Hopefully everything works out, I'm praying. But in the meantime, I am going to start putting some stuff away in the kitchen and like things that I bought in the last vlog from Target. Still haven't done that. So yeah, like our glasses for people to drink out of and stuff. I'm just gonna like kind of organize that. But before I do that, I'm gonna like bring all the stuff in there, and then we're eating potato. Do you want a sweet potato or a real potato? Okay, I'm gonna put the potatoes in the oven because they take like forever to cook. Okay, you can't really see, but they're in the oven. The potatoes, they're doing well. Now, I've got our Moscow Mule cups to put away, plus these drinking glasses, plus that. Plus, I'll just move this. Here's what I'm thinking for the island though. I really don't like this situation, so in the future we need to find a new situation, but for now it works. And then I also want to get some mini bar stools to fit down there. Right now it's kind of just like our dumping grounds, but I don't really like that. So yeah, we need to just like improve that all the way around. But quickly I'm going to put that stuff somewhere and find a new location for it. Got those in there. Satisfying. Kind of gonna give you guys a kitchen tour before the real apartment reveal kind of happens, and I'm assuming things will change before then because I'm thinking this apartment's not gonna be done until like not this month for sure. It's just an overview. We need to fix the island, so that's just not right, but this is what it's looking like. We got, I really like how big these are, but also our cabinets just aren't the most organized. But here's like all of our protein and stuff. We have a ton of Tupperware up there. This is the cabinet that we use the most for sure. Got the new toaster in here. Like we could be putting other things in there, which I definitely need to be doing, but we'll work on that. Oh, there's like measuring cups and stuff in here. See, I feel like these, first of all, I need to cut the tag off those, but I feel like those need to be in here, which is where that stuff is. We put pots and pans in there. Here's our trash can. Underneath the sink just has like supplies and trash bags and stuff. And then I actually moved, or Colin moved, our spices and stuff into there, which is perfect. We have all of our tables. Wow. We have our bowls and dishes and cups in there. I love soft close cabinets so much. And then in here is pretty much where we keep the food. So yeah, I'm excited for our HelloFresh box to come so that our fridge looks more exciting. And I also am about to probably bulk order some Celsius on Amazon. That's just the rundown. But I'm gonna keep decorating, and I'm gonna take a thumbnail for this video that I'm about to post. Colin fixed it. Colin's the best, most smart technology video editor boyfriend I've ever had. He knows he's the best. He doesn't even need to be told. To the bathroom, because I'm about to do some decorating. You know what, this hat is just not, let me take the hat off, hold on. Working the top knot instead of the hat, just because today was the practice dry try. I don't even think I mentioned that. Did I say that today? I don't know. But I ended up getting like 30 something splat points, and I ran 2 miles in 14 minutes exactly. Like I hit the 2 mile part when she called us out of the all out. So I was really freaking hype, okay? I was very excited. But anyways, okay, so these storage baskets are going in my drawer, and then these are going in my cabinet. I like really need somewhere to put you. Oh, also update. I figured out what to put here. I did toilet paper roll, Kleenex, toilet paper roll, and now I feel like it's adorable. Officially put things in. So here's my hairbrush, and then I have my scrunchies. I freaking love scrunchies. And then all of my like skincare, hair mask, things that I frequent often. Tampons, which I've been frequenting often. And then down here I just have like hair masks, hair bands. This is a blackhead remover. I swear, I got it on Amazon. It works pretty well. It just looks really weird, but you just turn it on and then you just like, I'll show you. You just like run it down your nose, or you run it up your face, and it exfoliates because it has an exfoliating one, and it's like an at-home facial. I really like it. So yeah, that's that. It's rose gold. It's really cute. It just looks really weird. just like a bunch of face stuff. And then now all this stuff is gonna organize this area. Girls versus guys. Girls, guys. I like being a girl. Wanted to update you guys on my progress of my decorating. We also got this pillow today at West Elm, which I'll show you in a second. All of my shoes were in there, but now I've put blankets in there to go right next to our couch. Our coffee table should be here in the next couple days, which is really exciting. And then here, I'll show you this pillow. All right, that's impossible, hold on. Here's what the pillow looks like, and honestly I think it's gonna be so cute right here, and it is. Colin, can you see? Oh, see, that looks really good. Look, both of them together, they both look really good together. I don't know, I think now I need another pillow. Guys, I've cleaned up over here.
And maybe it'll be quicker.
Okay, I've cleaned up. Oh my goodness. It looks, okay, despite that, that is an issue that will be solved later. That's for our bathroom, but I left the frame in our Target basket at Target, so that's just there for a second. But, oh, it's so clean. We're gonna hang those up outside. Inside that is a bunch of lights for out there. That's gonna be a plant from Urban, which is on back order. It looks so good, I'm so proud of me. I'm also proud because here's our dinner. Health is wealth, I'm very proud. Next home project we're doing, we're about to hang that up there, and I've kind of decorated, okay, so
so you need to pick a spot.
Okay, the bottom shelf is like done. That's not done.
Put a picture of us in there.
Yeah, okay, I'll pick a spot. About to hang that up here, but the thing is, I know we want plants in this corner, not necessarily those three. We'll figure it out. And the BRB thing still needs to go outside, and I haven't even put it there yet. Okay. Done. That was easy. Okay, how does it look?
I think it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Look exactly how it was when you were hanging it there.
Okay. I feel like it probably should have been a little lower. Moving it down a little bit, you can barely even see the hole, so it's fine. But
it's like
just know
now.
that that's not even done. I'm just putting things there. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm proud of that. Okay, let's do the other one. Center of this wall. Right there. I will. Good morning. So today we're actually going to get the West Elm mirror because we have a truck. Colin's grandpa's truck is gonna save the day. But I'm wearing my Gymshark Legacy sports bra because I really like the Legacy collection. And then my camo seamless leggings because it's a leg day. I'm still super proud of this situation. Our coffee table delivers today, but it was on back order, so it's going to my mom's. So we might have to like run by and get that. And then our banana tree, huge banana plant tree, is coming too. I just got a notification that it delivered. So this area is pretty much complete. We do want to hang shelves on this wall, but that's just gonna have to be like a later project, you know. Goodness, we're in Colin's grandpa's truck. It's so clean in here, I like it. But we are now en route to West Elm, or we are rerouting ourselves to West Elm to go get that mirror because she's gonna fit in the back of this truck. We went to a tropical smoothie cafe, and what smoothie did I get? You ordered it. Do you remember what you said?
Something green, island greens.
Island green or something? I don't know. This is like the third smoothie I've tried from Tropical Smoothie Cafe, and this one's definitely my favorite. So island green. It says fan fave on the menu, but yeah, good stuff. And Colin got something with orange juice in it. I don't know. His is good too, but mine's better. We've got it all secured.
Secured the package.
Yeah, we're not gonna open it. Well, we'll open it, but we're not gonna put it up until tomorrow.
No, we're not gonna, because I gotta head out.
Not until the next vlog. Look at what Colin just built. We have our coffee table up. It's from Urban Outfitters. So this is what it looks like. It goes so well with the coffee table, TV stand, and couch. So all three of those are just a really good combo. We're about to go to Colin's little brother's football game. We're running very late. Today's been such a crazy hectic day. We got the mirror, but we're gonna have to set that up tomorrow. And then yeah, other than that, we've just been literally running all over the place. We have to leave pretty much right now and we're still trying to make dinner. So we're doing very good at adulting. Currently eating couscous and asparagus, but we're about to leave to go to the game. So I'm gonna end this vlog so I can start tomorrow and kind of completely work on that side of the room, which I'm very, very excited for. So make sure you guys are subscribed, stick around, join the fam. It's gonna be really fun. We're still having a party over here with all these moving vlogs and decorating and stuff. So I hope you guys liked this vlog and I will see you guys in my next one.